Hey, what's up YouTube? I came to just show you what I have collected for race cars. So first off, we got some haulers. The number 5 hauler right there is a custom with the yellow trailer along with the truck. Then we have a Hot Wheels hauler, Chase Elliott, Jeff Gordon, I think that's Kyle Busch, number 5, Dale Jr., in the number 88. Then we have this number 19. I think that is a, can't remember it. Then we have this number 16, Greg Biffle. Number 8, Dale Jr. Then we have number 21, Kevin Harvick, and Jimmy Johnson, 48. And then we have a Josh Berry Xfinity Series 8 next to this Dale Jr. This is the censored one instead of having Bud. I tried my best to make a custom Dale Sr. number 3. I'm not very good at customs. Then we have this number 2 Dale Sr. Then 2 Adam Petty cars. Then that's a custom 5 there. Same here. This number 5 is a late model, but this one seems to be a number 5 Mendegree Adrenaline Nationwide Series. So that there. Then we have a custom number 5 Our Stock. Then we have Ricky Rudd. This custom number 5 is supposed to be a car that I tried to make. I remember I got this Kyle Larson Champion Cup Series, HendrickCars.com, number 5, when I went to lacrosse. Then for the 43s, right here, we got the King, Richard Petty, and these two, the serial ones, I got those. Then this one I got at Lacrosse Fairgrounds Speedway. It's a Lee Petty car. Then we have Chase Elliott, which goes to this hauler here. Then we have a custom number 6 Nationwide Series, Black Agnes Quality Beef. Can't remember who drives that one. Then we have a 92 Mark Martin Valvoline. Then we have a 44. It's kind of fading a bit, but I'm gonna turn it into a custom soon, along with one of the Adam Petty's, because I need more cars. Then we have this number 44 Hot Wheels. I think this was a Cal Petty. Yeah. This number 11 Bill Elliott. 92 year. Then we have this custom number 11 Gatorade. It's fading a bit, but I tried my best drawing Gatorade. Then we have a number 4 Ernie Irvan Kodak film. I also have a Ernie Irvan car up there that is a 1/24 scale, I think. Then we have this custom number 15 car that was kind of supposed to be my own. Then we have a number 7. It's fading a bit, so it's just a black car until I try to fix a new number. Then we have this Dick Trickle 66 car. Got that one a few years back. Then we have a 26 Cheerios. Can't remember who drove this one. Then we have a number 90 Dick Trickle. Then number 28 Haviland Davey Allison. Then we have a number 94 Sunoco car. I think this was Terry Labonte. Then we have a number 2 Rusty Wallace Pontiac. Then number 88 Dale Jarrett. Quality Care. Yeah, this is a really old car. Then number 17 Darrell Waltrip. That is a 92 car by sponsored by Western Auto. Then we have his younger brother Michael Waltrip in a number 30 Pennzoil. Then we have JD McDuffie in number 70. Kind of like the rims on that one. Then we have Jimmy Spencer, number 27 McDonald's. It's an old car, you can kind of tell. Then we have a Racing Champions NASCAR, number 92. Let me get a different grip on it. You can kind of see how this one comes with the other 92 cars. Then you have a Morgan Shepherd 21. Got this one with the other set of 92. Then you have a Jimmy Johnson Lowe's Monsters University car. Got this one when the movie came out. And then we have a number 99 car. I can't remember who drove one, but it's a rubber tire car. As you can tell, it's sponsored by Exide Batteries. And that's mostly my collection. Then we have a custom truck, number 5 truck that carries tires for the number 5 team. And then we have a custom pace car with a little damage onto it. Then 2 trailers. And that is most of my racing series. But if you want to see more cars that I have, or even monster trucks, I will show you in another video. And make sure to please like and subscribe. I know I'm a small channel YouTuber, but I work really hard to make videos when I feel like I need the money. But just please subscribe.